Whether you have a hot water model or a cold water pressure washer, the operation is the same except for turning on and off the burner. Before you begin, you should familiarize yourself with the operation manual and the Hotsy safety video. Most importantly, when operating a pressure washer, is to always prioritize safety. Wear safety goggles to safeguard your eyes from potential flying debris and earplugs as gas engine models are loud. Wear appropriate clothing and closed-toe shoes to protect yourself from water spray and debris. Ensure your Hotsy is on a level surface and engage the brake if your unit has one. Fill the gas tank, but remember, never refuel the engine when it's hot. Check the burner diesel fuel tank to see that it's adequately filled. Make sure the trigger gun and wand are attached to the high-pressure hose and select the appropriate nozzle for your cleaning task. Your Hotsy came with several nozzles, from 40 to 15 degrees, which have different spray patterns. The nozzle is actually what creates the high-pressure spray. If you need to decrease the pressure and lower the PSI, use a larger nozzle. Using soap will give you better cleaning results. Hotsy hot water units have high-pressure soap, while cold water washers use low-pressure soap. Place the end of the detergent line into your detergent container, making sure the filter is submerged. Connect a garden hose to the water inlet of the pressure washer, then turn on the water supply. Before starting the engine, engage the choke as shown. Turn the start switch to the on position. If you have a manual start model, pull the starter cord. For models with an electric start engine, you simply turn the ignition key. Once the engine starts, slowly move the choke to the run position and increase to full throttle. For hot water models, turn on the burner switch to activate the burner and adjust the thermostat. Engage the trigger gun to start the pressure spray, maintaining a safe distance from the surface. When using soap, apply it from the bottom up, which will allow for optimal dwell time. If using a hot water model, turn off the burner when you've finished cleaning. When ready to rinse, start at the top and work your way down. When finished rinsing, keep the trigger gun engaged to allow the pressure washer to cool down before turning the unit off. Release the pressure by pulling the trigger gun to dispense any trapped water in the hose. Remove the nozzle tip. Check for any debris before properly storing them. One more important note is to regularly maintain your Hotsy. If you take care of your washer, it will take care of you. Now you know how to operate a Hotsy gas engine pressure washer. We hope you enjoyed watching, and now you're ready to see why nothing cleans like a Hotsy.